All right. Now, I got a surprise for you. We're going to do an unboxing. Who wants to do an unboxing with me? Because I am excited about this. We're going to do this to see if this is going to work. Desktop mode. Okay, here we go. Let's see what happens. See if this is going to work. I'm going to unbox. So now it's showing my desk. Okay, cool. So here we go. Push the keyboard out of the way. All right, I have two boxes. Ta-da! Ta-da! Okay. And because I am open box challenged, I don't know which one has the thing. One is like, what's the purpose of that? All right, so I'm gonna get out a sharp blade. Hang on, and let's see what I got. All right, so I don't know which box. I feel like this is the box that I want to open last. All right, let's do it. Let's open it. So it has not been opened yet. And this box is complicated, so I'm going to make this easy. I am very box challenged when it comes to unboxing, so I'm gonna move this out of the way. Let's see what this is. All right. Spread out. No. Oh, there's like a strip I could have pulled. See, I don't know how to unbox things. That's true. Okay. This is the box I need to open first. Ta-da! Oh, no, it's not. This is the last one. Okay. So this is an MX travel case. Not very interesting. So, all right, we'll come back to that. I don't even understand what that's all about. All right. There's tape on this one, so I'm going to cut the tape. Why is this box so much bigger? There goes, friends. I've got, where you see it. All right. I am very excited about this. I have so this is the, ta-da. So this is my MX3. I love this mouse, but I have been wanting a new mouse. And so let's see what happens. All right. So here we go. MX Master 4. Ta-da. Okay, cool. Let's really open it. So I'm excited about this. I love the MX mouse series because it makes video editing so much easier for me. Okay, maybe you don't need a fancy mouse, but I do. I'm excited about this mouse. So because I do a lot of video editing and I use the shortcuts on the mouse to make it easier. Here we go. All right, ta-da, ta-da. Here it is. It's Bluetooth, of course, yes. Anyway, that's what happens. You play the game of, hey, which one of you is the... So here it is, the MX4 mouse. Take that off. Is there anything else I need to take off? Cool. Hopefully it's fully charged. Unlike the stupid Magic Mouse that I do love for video editing, but when it goes dead, you can't charge it because the buttons on the bottom. The MX has the USB-C port right here in the front. So you don't have to go through. Yeah. I do like fancy everything. I do. I admit. It's me. I get bougie sometimes. Now, here's the thing I don't understand. Why do I need a travel case? But it was free. And said, hey, you buy this mouse, we give you a travel case. And I guess if you're always at your desk, this is sad. It's just compatible with the MX3 anywhere and the MX Master 3S. I'm like, okay, well, I mean, it's just the mouse in a new version. So I have a pocket I can put it in. No, it doesn't fit there. It does fit there. Okay, so I don't understand the point of that. Anyway, so I'm really excited. One thing that this mouse has is haptic is haptic where it kind of vibrates as you do things, and you pick what you want it to vibrate on. So I haven't even paired it yet, so we'll have to find out what happens. Okay, so I've got it turned on. It's powering up. Let's go to Bluetooth settings. This would be a good time to show my whole screen, wouldn't it? So let's do this. Let's share my screen. So hang on, we're going to share. I'm going to go back to my sharing I was just doing. Yeah, whole clear thing it does. All right, so we go to Bluetooth, and there's my MX Master 4. Connect. Ooh, I feel that. I feel the haptic on the mouse. All right, connect me up. There we go. Now I'm connected. I have 55% battery. I do need to charge it, don't I? All right. Ta-da. Okay, now go back to desk mode. Ta-da. Okay, so here it is. And so right here, I felt it when it connected, the haptic settings. So, yes, sure. All right, and then if you have the Logi services, of course, it wants to control things. No, I don't want you to control anything anyway. It wants me to go back to accessibility. That's really small. I'm very sorry. I should go. And it wants to go to Logi plugin service. There we go. All right, gotta type out my secret decoder ring. And yes, my password is a bunch of asterisks. Just thought I'd tell you in case you didn't know. Stop. All right, so here it is. And like I said, let's do a comparison. So it has an extra button here. So I got to find out how I want to program that, what I want to use that for. Of course, I use this button. I love programming one of the buttons for screen copy or for to do like a screenshot. I do tons of screenshots. I do so many screenshots for things, and so I do. This is gonna be a lot of fun playing with this mouse. So I do like it. All right. So anyway, so that was it. That's my unboxing.
Gotta keep moving. It's right on me. Come on, come on. No. You want to catch me? Then do it. I'm right.